Making money and business credit is two things that probably brought you to this video. If so, good, because in this video, we will be explaining how you can make money and build business credit through Turo. What's going on, guys? Chris Robinson here to remind you guys to smash the like button to help this video reach others who need to know this information. Also, be sure to watch through the full video, take notes, and while you're at it, you might as well subscribe so that you can stay up to date with similar videos like this. Enough talking. Let's jump into the video. Alright, so I want to break this video down into three categories: the making money part, the building business credit part, and the benefits of doing both. And the reason I'm doing this because I know some of you have came to this video and you just want to know about the making money part through Turo, so I'll start with that one first. Alright, so like we just mentioned, part one of this video is about making money. And I'm sure if you heard about Turo, you'll know that it is seen as the Airbnb of cars. So if you have a vehicle that you are willing to rent out to others, you are guaranteed to make money doing so. And I know every city and state is different according to the amount of money that you can make, but it's always good to benchmark similar cars in your city to see how much they are charging on their daily average pricing. And also, there is a Turo calculator in which you can use to see how much your car is making in your city on a monthly basis. And I'll be sure to attach the link to that calculator in the description box below. So before we jump into part two of this video, there are three key points I want to go over to help you be successful through Turo. So key point number one, most Turo guests want to rent out cars in which they can have experiences in. So newer cars and luxury cars are more likely to make more money as well as to continue to get booked. Key point number two, you want to be sure to take good quality photos of your cars and always pick a good cover photo in which that can will in more customers. And lastly, you must truly understand Turo's insurance option and the percentage split in which you're willing to take. So keep in mind, the highest percentage that you're willing to take, you're putting yourself at more risk when it comes to insurance. For me, I'm not willing to go anything above the 70 plan with the $250 deductible. And this is because I would hate to pay on damages in which I did not cause, and the majority of the time, the repairs cost will outweigh the payout, so it's important that you choose wisely. Alright, so now let's try to understand how we can build our business credit. And since we're talking about Turo, you probably got an idea of where I'm going with this. Because you can build your business credit by financing a vehicle under your business name. But if you don't have a business, it's important that you register one right away. And registration should be simple by simply going over to your Secretary of State website and find any information about starting a business. And once you get your business registered, it's important and essential that you register your business with Duns and Bradstreet so that you can get a Duns number. And it's also essential that you get an EI number as well. And I'll try to attach the links to the Duns and Bradstreet registration as well as the EIN registration in the description box below. So keep in mind, you can use any type of business to finance your vehicles, and it doesn't have to do anything with Turo. So financing your vehicle under your business name depends on the dealership. So I financed my cars through BMW as well as CarMax, but my process was kind of simple. However, I did go to several other different dealerships, but they demanded more information in which I can provide for the business I wanted to finance my vehicles under. Keep in mind though, not every dealership offers commercial financing, so I suggest that you do not give up until you find a dealership that does, and just about every major dealership offers commercial financing. So when it comes to the application, you want to make sure that you specify to the dealership that you want to finance your vehicle under your business name, just so that you both know that you're filling out the correct application. And some of these applications may ask, how long have you been in business, how much is your annual revenue, or even information like your bank account balances. And it's important that you answer in a way in which you can back it up, even if you are projecting your revenue, or even if you're using your personal income as your business income, or even if you've been in business a while but you just most recently registered your business. However, some dealerships will ask this information, but will only want it on the application to determine your approval option, but will not ask you to prove this information if your personal credit and your personal income is good enough. But keep in mind though, if you plan on using your business income as your primary source of income or even a portion of your income, they may ask you to approve the amount of money that you're making or prove that you're making this money in some type of way. However, in most cases, and even in my case, I was only asked to show a business license, or if they didn't ask me for a business license, they just went over to the computer and looked up my business through the Secretary of State just to see if I had a real business, and in your case, they may do the same. And I was probably not asked only because I listed my personal income on the application, and since these were my first few vehicles under my business, I had to list myself as a personal guarantee for each vehicle. In other words, a cosigner. However, they will check to see if you have any history on your business credit through your DUNS number as well as your EIN number. But if you don't have any business credit, they will simply check your personal credit reports to determine your finance options. So if you never financed a vehicle under your business before, 9 times out of 10, you will be added as a personal guarantee. But the good news is that if you keep good history with the bank, the next time you want to finance a vehicle under your business, they will only consider your business credit history information. Alright, so now that we understand how we can make the money, as well as how we can build our business credit through commercial financing, let's now discuss the benefits of doing both. Okay, so if you finance your vehicle under your business, you can use all of the income that you get through Turo to pay off all of your expenses. In fact, it is a business, so I suggest that you calculate all of your expenses so that you can manage your vehicles without overspending. Also, since it is under your business name and it is being used for business use, you can write off a large portion of all of your expenses on your taxes. And that includes everything from vehicle registration, loan payments, business use mileage, repair costs, insurance, as well as depreciation. And lastly, just to keep in mind, although you have the option to do everything under your personal name as well as your personal credit, business credit have a lot more benefits than personal credit, but we'll save that topic for another video. Alright guys, so that is how you can make money as well as build business credit through Turo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to show your support to the channel. Also, don't be afraid to explore my channel for any other videos that you may find interesting. I'll try to keep you guys updated with a lot of interesting content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.